that's huge. I just got off of a call with some of my coworkers and let them know what I found out this week, and they're all pumped. So we're ready for those next steps. Being able to load your documents in and then turn that into PMs or build out your tasks that way. I was already doing this like just a couple weeks ago. I'd load in all these documents. I said, hey, can you give me this? And then I'd put it in an import table, comb through it and then put it back into the system. And it worked, but it took me an hour. What will now take 5 or 10 minutes. The second part is definitely the work order history. You can just search a problem on a certain type of machine or model machine and say I'm having this problem, and it'll search your work order history, give you possible solutions as well. I'm sure there's going to be room for improvement after the rollout, but anything's better than what we got, and I'm look forward to it. I was already doing this. Like just a couple weeks ago, I was working on this. We're trying to roll out standardized PMs for model-specific equipment. Seeing that coming out, that's just going to make our lives easier, especially with the initiative we've started this year.